There's a critical blind spot in real estate right now, and it's costing agents weeks on market. The median buyer age today is 56, but the market has never been more generationally diverse. Repeat buyers over 60 often pay cash. Buyers under 44, they're all in on digital. It's not just that they want different features. They're consuming your marketing in completely different ways. Here's the problem. Most agents spray and pray. One description, one set of photos, posted everywhere. That's exactly why you're losing buyers before they ever call you. It happens in the first 30 seconds they see your listing. Let's break it down. 45% of older buyers prefer clear photos over video. 81% of buyers under 35 start on mobile or tablet. Gen X, they get frustrated when school info is buried under crown molding fluff. Boomers start with location and price. They read every word and they want honest, well-lit photos, no filters. Younger buyers, they move fast. They rely on visuals and decide with their guts. Boomers, 88% start on traditional listing sites. Millennials, 69 are mobile first. Instagram, video, fast content. Gen X splits time across mobile and desktop. If your marketing doesn't match these habits, you're invisible to entire buyer groups, and it's bigger than one listing. Each generation starts to associate your name with content that doesn't connect. That reputation follows you. The fix isn't more marketing, it's smarter marketing. 1 in 6 homes sold today is multi-generational. Gen X leads this trend at 21%. Boomers follow at 15%. Why? Cost saving. Aging parents, adult kids moving home. That means your listing needs to highlight flexible layouts, in-law suites, secondary entrances, and don't forget, money. Gen X households earn a median of $130,000. Older millennials, $127,500. They're dual income buying long-term investments. Younger millennials, they want efficiency, modern systems, and value. Over 60, proximity to family tops the list. Over 70, healthcare and senior-friendly features matter most. So how do you market smarter? By layering your content so each generation sees what they need without confusion. Boomers want clean, bright, functional rooms. Millennials want lifestyle moments, cozy nooks, grill outs. Gen X want upgrades, systems, and flex use. Boomers, fact first, location, square footage, updates. Millennials, lifestyle, parks, coffee shops, walkability. Gen X, ROI, schools, efficiency, appreciation potential. Boomers prefer email and listing sites. Millennials, social first. Gen X, long-form browsing across devices. This is about more than selling faster. It's about building trust across generations. The agents who learn to speak every buyer's language, they become the go-to experts for every age group. Boomers downsizing, millennials buying their first homes, Gen X building equity. They call you, so here's your move. Take your next listing and create 3 versions. 1 for boomers, 1 for millennials, 1 for Gen X. Same house, 3 messages. No confusion. That strategy shortens time on market, raises final sales price, and builds loyalty that spans generations.